Bree the Coupon Queen, and welcome to the 6 must-do Walgreens deals for next week. So these deals are going to go from March 22nd until the 28th of 2020. So there are a lot of great deals going on at Walgreens. We have some freebies and some moneymaker deals that I'm going to share with you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for that. We also have some new digital booster coupons, so I will go over that shortly. Make sure you guys are checking your coupon folder in your Walgreens app and checking out what kind of digital coupons you have available for next week. Some of them do go pretty quickly, so you want to make sure you're one of the accounts that clips it, and that way you can utilize it for next week. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I know I have a lot of newbie couponers that are also watching my videos, which is amazing. Definitely a great time to stock up. A lot of essential goods are going to be on sale at Walgreens next week, and a lot of people are stocking up and making sure they have enough for their family for a couple weeks. So in these videos you'll see how you can do that and at a fraction of the cost. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. If you don't follow me yet on my Instagram or my Facebook, make sure you head over there and follow me. It's Bree the Coupon Queen. I post any additional deals or coupon updates or booster updates, anything like that on my social media sites. That way you guys can be well informed of what is going on for the current week or the following. So let's go ahead and dive into these deals. First thing is the booster coupons. So this is the one that I got pictured in the right hand corner. It is 10% off a $20 purchase. So you do have to spend at least $20 in products. That is before coupons, but after the IVC coupons. So just keep that in mind. They will be in the coupon folder in your Walgreens app. You can either locate that obviously on the app on your phone, or you can log in on a computer, log into your Walgreens account, go to the weekly ad and coupons, and browse what digital coupons you have available. The boosters do vary per account, and not all accounts are going to receive them. So just keep that in mind. If your account doesn't get one, there's no rhyme or reason why. They just vary it every time they get these coupons out. And again, make sure you clip them as soon as you see them, because they do disappear once enough people have clipped them and sent them to their card. So the first deal is going to be a moneymaker. A lot of people, when I posted my Walgreens ad preview, commented that they're getting the 10% off, typically because that is the lowest value booster coupon. Most accounts are going to get that booster if you guys get one at all. So all of my must-do deals are going to have the math based on a 10% off booster coupon. Now keep in mind, these are all individual deals. In order to do them, to use that 10% off coupon, you will have to spend at least $20 in products to be able to have that coupon come off. So for the Colgate, they're on sale next week. Buy 2, get a $2 register reward, and they're on sale for $2.99 each. So what you can do is buy 2 of the Colgate Toothpaste. They are $2.99 each. Use 2 of the $2 off coupons we got in the $3.15 Smart Source insert. The 10% off is going to come off of the total product value before the coupons come off. So in this case, it's $5.98. 10% off of that roundup is going to be 60 cents off. You're going to pay $1.38 out of pocket. Get back a $2 register reward, so final cost is going to be free and a 62-cent moneymaker. If you are new to the channel, of course, we never usually pay the full price out of pocket of $1.38. I always put together a couple scenarios when I do my Monday Walgreens haul for you guys to see how we can split up in 2 or 3 transactions to be able to roll our points and register rewards, so we're paying the least amount out of pocket. So stay tuned on my channel for that. Make sure you have that notification bell clicked, and that way you won't miss out on my haul videos. The next deal is going to be on the Tide Simply or the Downy. So I did the deal based on the Downy because they were completely sold out of the one that was on sale at CVS for the current week, and I went twice trying to pick it up. So I'm targeting trying to get more of the Downy fabric softener. They're going to be on sale for $2.99. there is a $1 coupon. Hopefully it'll be digital, or you can print one on pgeveryday.com. The 10% off will come off. It'll be about 30 cents. You'll pay just $1.69 for one of those. It is the 40 load bottle of the Downy fabric softener, which I think is an amazing price point. This next deal is a little bit more for advanced couponers. If you got that $8 Revlon or Almay Catalina coupon to print from any of your previous Revlon deals that you did. So Revlon Lustrous products, as you see in the photo, are on sale until July for getting a $5 register reward when you spend $15 or more. So keyword for this deal is spend $15. So when you buy 3 of them, there is a monthly promotion going on as well for the month of March. When you buy 2 any beauty product, you're going to get 1 free. So you're going to pick up 3 of the Lustrous lip products. They are $8.49 each. One of them will ring up free. Then you will have the $16.98. The 10% off will come off, which would be $1.70. So this is very important. If you got a 20% off or even a 30% off booster coupon, do not do this deal when you're using that coupon, because your total will drop below $15. Then you technically won't be spending $15 and the register reward will not print. So big heads up on that. Then you're going to use one of the $8 Catalinas. If you have 2 of them, definitely use both of them. You should be able to use 2 in a transaction. I have heard mixed reviews from people trying to use 1 or 2. Depends on the Walgreens. Some Walgreens are not letting you for some reason, and some are. So it just depends on the location you're going to. I always make sure that I go to CVS and Walgreens locations that like couponers and are helpful and friendly should there be any issues or discrepancies, of course, with coupons or digital coupons. So with using just 1 of those Catalinas, you'll pay just $7.28, get back a $5 register reward. So final cost would be $2.28 for all 3 lipsticks, or 76 cents each. And of course, this will track towards Walgreens Beauty. Every $50 in beauty products that you spend, you will get 5,000 points back. Pantene is another deal that will count towards beauty. All shampoos and conditioners also track towards beauty at Walgreens. So they're on sale. Buy 3, get a $3 register reward. So for the Pantene, you can buy the shampoo, conditioner, or mix and match. They are $3.99 each. We are getting a $5 off 3 digital coupon, which is awesome. So this is a very beginner-friendly deal. The 10% off of the product value will come off. So the total for all 3 will be $11.97. Right? Yes, $11.97. Sorry. So 10% of that would be $1.20, rounding up. You'll pay just $5.77 out of pocket. Then you're going to get back that $3 register reward. So final cost would be about 92 cents per bottle of shampoo or conditioner, which is definitely a great stock up price, especially if you're trying to build a small stockpile for you and your family during this time. Grabbing some Pantene next week at Walgreens would definitely be a great deal. And the nice storage bags, no coupons or anything are needed. You just have to have the Walgreens reward account, and then you'll get this deal. So they're on sale. Buy 1, get 2 free. And this time the trash bags are also included. So you'll pick up 3 of them. They are regular, I typoed there. They're regularly priced at $2.79. So 10% off of that would actually be 28 cents. So then you're going to pay $2.51 for all 3, or 89 cents each. Got a little dyslexic there and I switched over those 2 numbers, but regardless, you're going to be paying about 83 cents per bag of bags. They are a really good brand. I really like the quality of them. I use the storage bags and the freezer bags all the time, and I never have any issues. So definitely a great deal and no coupons needed. Garnier Whole Blends, another good deal on shampoo and conditioner, also tracking towards Walgreens Beauty. They're on sale next week, 2 for $7. we are getting a 3 off of 2 coupon in our Sunday Retail Me Not insert. If you missed my coupon insert preview video, click this video here above. Make sure you guys check that out. I will also have it linked at the end of the video and in the description box. Not all regions are going to get this coupon, so just be aware of that. My region typically doesn't get that, so I already ordered those online. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off 1 IVC coupons. There are digital versions. It'll say $1 off with card. That's how you know it's the Walgreens coupon. Or you can get this from the Walgreens Book of Savings, which is completely free to grab. They are at the front of the store by the Walgreens weekly ads. The 10% will come off of the price after the IVC coupons. So they're $7. $2 off in IVC coupons are going to come off, so it's going to be $5. 10% off will come off of the $5, which will be 50 cents. Then the 3 off of 2 will come off. Final cost, you're going to pay just $1.50 for both, or 75 cents per bottle of shampoo or conditioner, which is definitely a great, great deal. We also have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon coming. You can see that listed right there in the photo. That's right from the weekly ad. So this again will be a very good beginner-friendly deal. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I will be trying to do my CVS haul on Sunday, all online, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I did post a CVS online video, how you can use digital coupons, where you can send your CRTs to your card online so you can still utilize those, and how you can pay with extra bucks to still lower your out-of-pocket costs. They do offer free shipping if you're a CarePass member or if your order is $35 or more. So if you haven't checked out that video, click this video right here in the top left-hand corner. I also have my must-do deals for CVS up and a couple other videos for you guys to keep you informed on how you can save as much money as possible while stocking up for you and your family. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.